So guys, as you can see, dual battery charger right here, Enduro, long lasting, wide range basically. So it's for the 11, 10 and also the HERO9. As you can see, this is for the GoPro, and basically two of these battery come inside. So as you guys can see right here, we have a user manual which basically come inside, some pro tips, also some booklet from GoPro. So right here guys, we have the charger right here, which is pretty short. As you can see, we have the two battery inside, and also we got a cable inside as well. So basically to charge it, we have to can stock our battery inside right here. You hear that click sound, and you can see it basically up like this. So you can put the battery in here as well, and you see that guys. So we can use our cable right here to plug it in right here to basically to charge it like that, like so. And I'm gonna plug this now into a power supply to basically give it some charge. And you guys can see an indication right here that there's a light which gonna basically charge this battery. So it basically show orange, as you can see right there. Now when this battery is fully charged, I'm assuming that this might show green, as you can see right here, looking pretty neat. And this is basically the dual battery charger right here. So I don't have run out of charge whenever I use my GoPro, whenever I'm going out, because this battery right here gonna give me lots amount of charge.